Hi everyone, this is Syed Khalid Bashan. Currently I am pursuing my BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Our presentation on blockchain based system for charging connected electric vehicles. Here, few are the contents we are going to discuss: introduction, literature survey, methodology, result, application, conclusion and references. Coming to the introduction, today we know that purchasing of electric vehicles have been increasing in recent years. The charging time of the electric vehicle is time consuming. So, electric vehicle charging service provider must arrange the responsible charging time for the users in advance. Most of the electric vehicle services are based on the third-party platform, but relying on the third-party platform carries a lack of security, leaving users to the attackers and user privacy leakages. We propose an anonymous blockchain-based system for charging connected electric vehicles that eliminates the third-party platform through the blockchain technology. In the advanced booking verification process, we adopt the smart contract to solve the problems associ- associated with centralized verification and services. Further, we utilize zero knowledge proof and ring signature superposition to realize the completely anonymous verification. Here, hash value or the another cryptology approach used to secure the user information. Some scholars consider hash value to be one of the most secure encryption algorithms, and this method is used in blockchain systems. This is a one blockchain system. Here we have block 1, block 2 and block 3. Here every block have hash value and previous hash value. For the first block we don't have that previous hash value. This hash value is having 64 characters, and this hash value will be created by the block 1. In block 1, the data is present in block 1. The, through that block data, the hash value can be created. And in the block 2, we can see that the block 1 hash value as here previous hash value. So every block having its previous hash value. Through this, these blocks are connected. So we are calling this as a blockchain. A zero knowledge proof or zero knowledge protocol is a method by which one party can be proved to another party that given statement is true while the prover avoids conveying any additional information. Below in figure we see that here prover is providing the not giving any additional information, but he is proving the whatever uh, whatever he is given the information is true. Some smart contracts are simply program stored on the blockchain that runs when predetermined conditions are met. A ring signature is a type of digital signature that can be performed by an member of a set of users that each have keys. Therefore, a message signed with a ring signature is endorsed by someone in a particular set of people. This is the literature survey, and this is the paper details. I have taken three reference papers, and for these reference papers we have three pros and cons. Coming to the objectives, we have four objectives actually. And the first objective is to understand the existence of user privacy leakages, making them better and prevent from the attackers. And the second one is to design a charging connected electric vehicles using the zero knowledge proof and smart contracts through the blockchain. And third one is to develop the electric vehicle verification process and is automated and transparent. And last foremost, to prevent the personal data from the attackers through the blockchain technology. Coming to the methodology, to protect the privacy of the electric vehicle users in typical circumstances, our system including three phases. These are the three phases we are implementing in this process. First one is registration, charging scheduling, and charging payment. Charging payment. First phase is registration phase. A user submits a registration application to the distributed public key using the hash value of the his or her true identity. The distributed public key utilizes registration blockchain and certificate blockchain node voting to the reach a concerns and issue the digital certificate. The electric vehicle servicer must also be register with the distributed public key. Charging scheduling phase. This is the second phase of the process. The user sends a charging request to the electric vehicle services. A pair of SKC and PKC. SKC and PKC is nothing but simple key zero knowledge and private key. Public key private zero knowledge proof is generated when the electric vehicle servicer receives a request. Then the user submits a digital certificate and timestamp to the generate a zero knowledge proof. Here we are using three smart contracts are also deployed on the CPC that is nothing but certificate blockchain in which they verify smart contracts is embedded with the public key zero knowledge proof. The users then perform a ring signature on the zeroth knowledge proof and submit it to the verify smart contract for verification. In the here we are using three tokens are used in our system for scheduling, charging, and payment, respectively. These tokens ensures that the scheduling, charging, payment operates as separate, thereby protecting the anonymity of the electric vehicle users. If the if the user identity is verified, a scheduling token is issued. The user must then submit the encrypted scheduling information. The token scheduling and is deposited to the scheduled smart contracts. Once we verified, electric vehicle services will schedule and issue a charging token to the users. Finally, often when the electric vehicles arrive at the charging station, users has to be submit the charging token and RCP verifies its location of the information. The charging process will be begin and payment token will be issued for the payment upon verification. This is the last phase, payment phase. The charging session will be confirms this receipt of the payment token and send a bill to the users. If the user confirms that the information is correct, payment will be made using virtual currency and signature. After the charging station receives the payment must be confirmed and signed and then recorded on the blockchain. The information, everything is recorded on the blockchain. These are the steps we have discussed before. These are and this three phases what we have discussed before all are implemented in this block diagram. And these three things are the three tokens which were discussed: scheduling, charging, and payment phases, payment smart contracts. Okay, now going to the result part. Here is the result. After the payer receives the bill, the payment will be made after the confirmation. The transaction is recorded in the blockchain to verify the legality of the transaction. The charging station will uh, eventually publish the payment information in units of K-anonymity group to prevent the tampering. Users know their own charging time and the payment amount, so they can be identify their own billing information, but no other can infer details for the hidden information. This is the billing information for individual users. Billing number, deposits, and TCP is nothing but payment is done or not. If he is done, it will show that yes, the starting and ending time, when it is the charging is started and when it is ended, charging degree of that, and units of price, total price. Everything is here shown. Last, due to the nature of the K-anomalous group, here we see that both differences. First one is charging station of charging statistics of the station A before using K-anomalous. Here we can see that here we have different user charging status. So attacker can easily identify the information and he can easily hack the information. So because of to avoid that situations, we are using the K nominative. The information of individual users here is where we merging that information. So the probability of attacking is here reduced. So attackers not able to attack. So 1 by k percent information attackers can identify. These are the few applications we have where blockchain is used. Healthcare section, transfer contracts and wealth, the voting, these are, and Internet of Things. So these are the few, and cryptocurrency also is the one of the most trending nowadays. These are the our applications. Conclusion is conclusion is here. A blockchain-based system for the charging connected electric vehicles. We utilize the distributed public key and the electric vehicle services respectively to provide registration and charging scheduling services, combining the user of zero knowledge proof ring signature and last and foremost key anonymity. We achieve the anonymity with the respect to the user identity and local location information. Blockchain smart contracts are also used to ensure service transparency and automatic verification. Our system does not require that a third party intention like a like an electric vehicle services be trusted. Our evaluation and analysis results confirm that the anonymity and security of the pro- proposed system are generated and excited those of the current systems. These are the few references we have taken from the internet, and thank you. For the for more information, subscribe to this channel.